Hello friends, myself is Dr. Rima Sinha. I am working as a associate professor in the Department of Pharmacy, Ramesh Institute of Vocational and Technical Education, Greater Noida. Friends, today I am going to deliver a lecture on Introduction to Drug Design. Friends, after watching this video, you will be able to know about basic concept of drug discovery and what is the concept of lead and methodology of lead discovery. Friends, in this video lecture, I will cover introduction of drug design, what are the factors which influence drug discovery, concept of lead, and its methodology of lead. Friends, first you should know what is drug design. Drug design is scientific approach. It involves the development of analogs and prodrugs by some chemical modifications from the lead molecules or from the parent compounds by modifying the carbon skeleton transformation or by the synthesis of compound of the same nucleus with various substituents. For drug design study, we have to consider various factors. What are those factors which influence the drug discovery? First is choose a disease, choose a drug target, identify a bioassay, find a lead compounds, isolate and purify the lead compound, and determine the structure of the lead compound. Friends, first parameter is choose a disease. Friends, for new drug discovery, first we have to identify the disease. We have to understand the disease is pathophysiology and we have to identify the cause of the condition. Let us take the example, like in current scenario, we are suffering from corona disease. If we want to search a new molecules against the corona COVID-19, then we have to know the life cycle of virus, how it attack to human body, and what is its life cycle, and what is its growth inside the human body, and what is its conditions. So first we have to identify the disease and its cause of condition. Then you will further proceed to development of new drug molecules. Generally, pharmaceutical companies tend to avoid products with a small market. It also avoid products for individuals of lower economic status. Friends, we have to understand how the genes are altered. Most research is carried out on diseases which afflict the first world countries. Friends, after selecting disease, your second parameter is choose a drug target. You have to discover the target for your drug action. It may be receptor, or it may be enzyme, or it may be nucleic acid. Friends, what do you understand by the term lead? You just pause the video and think about this question and note down the answer of this question on any paper. What is lead? Lead is defined as searching of new molecules with desired biological activity. Concept of lead is based on two parameters. One is your exploration of lead, another is exploitation of lead. Exploration of lead means searching of new molecules. You have to search new molecules by various methods. Either you can search by natural method or synthetic method or commutative synthesis method. After searching of new molecules, you have to assess the new molecules. Take one example, which physicochemical parameter upon changing best biological activity than the lead molecules, or what chemical modification you have to do so that you can get better molecules, more potent drug. How will you extend the lead molecule so that we can more active drug. Drug discoveries without a lead are quite few numbers, but nowadays all the research is done with a lead molecules. Now next is methodology of a lead compound. How will you find a lead compounds? There are various methods to identify a lead compound. First is screening of natural products. Screening of natural products can be done from plant source, microbial source, marine source, and animal source. Second is screening of synthetic compound libraries. From there you can also find a lead compound. Third is the main important, that is your combinatorial chemistry synthesis. By this technique we can also identify a lead molecules. Suppose lead compound is present in a mixture, then we have to isolate the lead compound and purify the lead compound. After purification, if you have to identify your lead compound, there is a two main technique which can use to identify lead compound. One is your X-ray crystallography, another one is NMR spectroscopy. Friends, by this video I have discussed the basic approaches to drug design and discovery. Thank you friends.